We begin at 11 with the high drama on the high seas for a high school sailing team on the Cape. 6 teenagers rescued when their boats capsized. A fast-moving storm with strong winds tipped their sailboats over in Hyannis Harbor. Good evening to you. I'm David Wade.
I'm Lisa Hughes. These students fell into a frigid ocean. Mike LaCrosse is on Cape Cod, and he shows us how they made it to dry land.
The 3 boats that capsized are back on shore tonight. It was winds close to 50 miles per hour that caused them and the students to go down.
It was very sudden.
A quick-moving squall creating for some chaos on the water for the St. John Paul II sailing team this afternoon.
We didn't really have a lot of time to change anything on the boats, so they just kind of all tipped over, within 30 seconds of each other.
Freshman Brennan Lowen says the afternoon started off calm before the storm moved in. He witnessed 6 of his fellow teammates go down.
2 of our boats capsized, so we told the 3rd to head to shore, and they capsized on the way.
The students were in full dry suits. Some were picked up right away by the coach's chase boat, the others making it to shore on their own with a boat through the chest-deep water.
We were able to ensure that all the students were accounted for, get them into a dry room at the yacht club, check them for injuries, of which there were none, and then assisted in getting the boats back to shore.
The conditions were still rough as the Hyannis Fire Department arrived to check the sailors for hypothermia as another crew on the water helped secure one of the boats.
Scared us.
The chief says the sailors were amped up, but all are back home safe tonight.
A little bit cold, but they're fine.
The school's headmaster tells me the sailors are going to take the weekend off and regroup and go over what happened next week. He says he's thankful for the coaches for the quick thinking action. Reporting from Hyannis, I'm Mike LaCrosse, WBZ News.